Is that a flying saucer? No, it's Fashion Show Mall. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, the largest shopping destination on the Las Vegas Strip. It's Fashion Show Mall. Kick it! The structure above Fashion Show Mall that looks like a UFO is called the Cloud. It's a 412-ton steel disc that hovers 128 feet above the mall to provide shade and a projection surface. The mall gets its name from the fashion shows it hosts every weekend on a retractable runway within the mall's central atrium. The fashion shows are held every Friday through Sunday from noon until 5 p.m. This is a very large multi-level mall that has more than 250 retailers and over 30 restaurants spread across 2 million square feet. There is truly something here for every taste and price range. Anchor stores are Dick's Sporting Goods, Dillard's, Forever 21, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue, and there are 2 Macy's stores. Here's Hello Kitty Cafe, featuring a super cute menu of freshly baked cookies, cakes, donuts, seasonal goodies, and handmade drinks. And there's an ABC store here. That's so cool. I love the ABC stores. They're so convenient, have great prices and service. If you'd like to know more about the ABC stores, check out my video, Don't Touch the Minibar. I put a link in the description box below. Next stop, the third floor and the food court, because I need to relax and recharge after walking around this huge mall. Here on level 3 of Fashion Show Mall, there are plenty of options in the food court, including Panda Express, Sukihana, Philadelphia Steak and Hoagie, Sbarro Pizza, The Habit Burger Bar, and Yogurtland. I stopped at Sbarro Pizza and I selected a combo meal with a slice of Canadian bacon and pineapple, a side salad, and a drink for around $11. All the food groups are represented here. Shout out to Sbarro Pizza. There's also more to Fashion Show Mall on the outside, including alfresco dining options situated right on the Las Vegas Strip, and access to multiple dining terraces. The walkway in front of Fashion Show Mall on the Las Vegas Strip is called the Plaza. You can find lots of great spots for dining, drinking, relaxing, and people watching, including Luke's Lobster, the Capitol Grill, Benihana, RA Sushi, Strip Burger, the Pizza Press, and strip side drinks and cigars may be enjoyed at Davidoff of Geneva. There is also artwork to be found in and around Fashion Show Mall. The rainbow staircase located on the north side of the plaza was created by artist Tanya Miscreate Walter. The 50 feet mural features a total of 73 colors, a combination design colors that speak to a united city. On the south staircase of the plaza, there's another mural called Be Kind to Bugs, created by artist Michael Dodson. This art installation resembles the natural beauty of Nevada and boasts a vibrant desert landscape. And artist Katie Boynton dedicated her sculpture depicting a giant steel heart to the Las Vegas community, in honor of those affected by the 2017 October 1st mass shooting. Like what I'm doing? Show support and hit the super thanks button. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member. Hit the link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free! Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.